Yo, what up, YouTube? Poke here. I have a new character, and I'm sending out a pack to Ammo. Probably tomorrow. Yeah. If not tomorrow, then like Saturday, because I'm gonna be out of town until like Saturday evening. Yeah. So it's my new character. Right there. I have a better one in his pack somewhere. Hold up. Right here. There we go. This is my new character. It's a better one. So this is Ammo's pack. All right here. It's a pretty big pack. So I have that one. And then I have that collab. Damn it. Hold up. Sorry about that. Hold up. Okay, there we go. So I have this pretty big one. It's not that big, but whatever. And then that. I have a few stencils in here for my first stencils ever, so they came out okay. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for his pack. I could have sworn there was a lot more. Oh, and then I have like 2 stickers, 2 stencils of that I'm going to be putting in there. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So.